how can we all come together to be better for students, for the youth, for workforce development as a whole. And for our demographic, high school seniors on pace to graduate, they don't really want to pursue a 2-year or 4-year degree, but they have no idea what they want to pursue.
Most of the students are seniors who don't know what they want to do in life yet. They don't know if they want to go to college. They don't know what they want to go to college for, and they don't know what's out there that they can do without college.
But the one thing about Junior Achievement that they shed a light on how to take it as a kid who doesn't even know about it at all.
Starting with JA and being able to build up all the soft skills you needed, workplace conduct, everything you need to know as an employee so you can be the best employee for your employer.
The programming that all the kids go through is just a no-brainer. I could either take a shot at hiring a super high earning marine fabricator that may or may not want to be a team player, or I can get somebody young who's gone through these programs and willing to learn, like Jacob, like Armani.
So you taking that chance with us, some of us are really determined to get in and start making a difference, start figuring out what we can do with our hands. What don't we have to go to college for? How can we make this income without having to have a 4-year degree?
Got to take a chance. You have to take a chance. You could hire somebody with 5 years of experience and you have no idea if that guy is good or not until he's there. You don't know what his behavior is. You don't know what his work ethic is. You take a chance on an employee that has experience. Why not take a chance on somebody that doesn't have any experience and teach them the way you want them to learn?
I'm very thankful for the Junior Achievement Program for putting me in this position I am today.